Let's talk composting, specifically the challenge of wood chips. Wood chips are stubborn. Toss them in a pile and a year later they barely change. Why? They're packed with carbon but also lignin, the tough concrete that resists decay. Microbes struggle to break lignin down, so wood chips just sit there. But we can speed things up. With the right mix of nitrogen, moisture, and heat, we can turn those chips into rich compost in just 24 days. It's not magic, just smart science. We'll balance carbon from wood chips with plenty of nitrogen, manage moisture, and build heat. This transforms a waste product into garden gold. So roll up your sleeves. Let's turn stubborn wood chips into black gold. Ready to get dirty? Time to build your compost engine. Start with about a cubic yard of wood chips, big enough to hold heat. Add your nitrogen source, fresh grass clippings, coffee grounds, or manure. Use 1 part greens to 2 parts wood chips. Layer like lasagna, 6 inches of wood chips, then 3 inches of greens, repeat. Mix as you go so microbes get both food and fuel. Water each layer until it's like a wrung-out sponge, moist, not soggy. Dry chips slow things down, too wet, and it'll stink. Cover the pile with a tarp to trap heat and moisture. By day 2 or 3, check the center, it should feel warm. That's your compost engine firing up. If it's not heating, add more greens and water. The right start means a fast, hot compost. This is where the magic begins. Keep the pile covered, especially in dry or windy weather. Monitor moisture, don't let it dry out. In just a few days you'll have a hot, active pile. Let's keep it going. Welcome to the hot phase. Your pile should hit 130–160 degrees Fahrenheit. On day 4, turn the pile to move cooler material to the center. Add water if it's drying out. Keep that damp sponge feel. Want to supercharge it? Add a homemade lactic acid bacteria serum, just rice water and milk. Turn the pile every 2 to 3 days until day 14. Each turn adds oxygen, redistributes heat, and keeps microbes thriving. The pile shrinks, smells earthy, and the wood chips soften. This is rapid transformation in action. You're not waiting, you're driving the process. Keep turning, keep it hot, and watch the change. Composting at warp speed. Around day 15, the pile cools, normal and good. Now fungi take over, breaking down the toughest wood fibers. White threads of mycelium mean your compost is maturing. Turn the pile just once or twice more. Optional. Add biochar for extra microbial homes and better water retention. Keep moisture steady, don't let it dry out. The pile darkens, shrinks, and becomes crumbly. You're almost at the finish line. Days 21 to 24, final curing. The pile is cool, dark, and crumbly. No wood chips left. Smell it. Earthy and pleasant means it's ready. If it's sour, let it cure longer. This is black gold, nutrient-rich and microbe-packed. Use as a top dressing or mix into planting holes. You've turned waste into wealth in under a month. Composting isn't just recycling, it's transformation. Next time you see wood chips, see opportunity. Go make some garden gold.